Hey everyone, what are you doing? Happy unofficial start of summer. I can't believe it's already here, but I'm really excited about being able to get out and go and do. Although I'm out of practice. I went to the UPS store the other day in my not nice sweatpants and slippers. And I was like, girl, you got to get it together. You can't dress like that anymore. So a little bit of a transition, and also transition in the space. I've moved, and so I don't have my big nice island anymore. I'm at my desk. So class is in session as we do this little reveal. Gus is going nuts in the background, so you'll probably hear him as well. Like last time, we're gonna do 2 videos. I'll do 3 in the first one and 3 in the second one. And then in the second video, I'm gonna do a little Father's Day gift idea, inexpensive, just something different, you know, a little sentimental, cute little thing you can do for your dad. I made one for my dad several years ago and he absolutely loved it and was so touched. So I thought I would share that with you. And then I'm also gonna give you a little sneak preview to a promotion that's going on tomorrow. So you'll wanna stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and get started and reveal what's in this box. So, you know, you got your card with all your gift wrap suggestions on the back. So, I mean, I'm gonna do them. We all know how they go, but you do whatever you wanna do. Do you? So firstly, you know, I had to include a little treat in there. These are cookies from Grey Ghost Bakery in Charleston. I got really nostalgic when I was putting this box together, and I was thinking about like just hanging out with friends and doing simple things and just talking and laughing and playing games. And so I got really nostalgic, and I was like, you could make a little ice cream sandwich. Although I know a lot of you have already eaten these, that's fine too. But these are absolutely delicious cookies, and I just wanted to give you all a little treat in this box to celebrate our fun summer that we've got coming up. We're gonna be living our best lives. So that was from me to you. The next thing we have is this rocket. Let me tell you a funny story about this rocket. Not funny, but I mean crazy. I just got this. I wanted to put something space related in the box because I'm nuts about space right now, and I know a lot of us are. I mean, it just seems to be the cool thing to be into, and I love a puzzle. I love to work a puzzle, so I thought let's do something different, 3D. So this is the Saturn V rocket from the Apollo 11 space mission. My dad used to work at RCA in Huntsville, Alabama, which that's where Space Camp is, as a lot of y'all nerds like myself know. He built the model of the Saturn V rocket that the government took, or the NASA took to Washington to get the money for the actual rocket. Stop it. I had no idea. And my parents, I think, have the rocket at their house somewhere. I did not know that. Funny. Isn't that funny? Okay, so to wrap this, we're just gonna use tissue, and you have your whole tissue pack that came in, so you're gonna have plenty of sheets for all your other gifts as well. And then we're gonna use the 2 thin striped, black and white striped ribbon to wrap this. I mean, and you know, just don't mind me. It's just kind of chaos over here, so I'm just doing it. It's all good. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in the center, and we're gonna roll it. Roll it out. And you can, when you're done, if you want, you can tape it to kind of just hold it in place, you know, or, you know, whatever you're feeling or need to do for you, you know, to keep it perfect. I know what that's like. And you're just going to twist the ends and then tie the ends with the ribbon. And I love this rocket too because it glows in the dark. So you can, I was going to put it together, but it's going to take me like a month to do that. And I'm also going to need those glasses that have like lights on the end. Honey, I can't see. I'm not going to be able to put this rocket together. I'm going to have to get like a magnifying glass and everything else to be able to see to work it. But I will get it together at some point. Maybe I'll put, oh, you know what I'll do? When I get the model, I'll build it mine and then put it next to my dad's. I can't get over that. I think that's crazy. Okay, so then you can just like cut the ends, whatever, and it looks like this. That's fun. You know, and then remember, in your box you have your cards. I gave you 6 enclosure cards. Or you could even do like, you know, you could use a PK sticker to close it or whatever, but you can use your enclosure cards as your gift cards and, you know, decorate them, make them your own, etc. So there's that done. The next gift we have, and the Rockets from Plus Plus USA, they have a ton of fun puzzles, all kinds of different shapes, really cute ideas. I mean, if you're looking for something, you know, more than just a regular puzzle, which I love. Just a flat puzzle, love to work those. They definitely have a really fun selection of the 3D puzzles. Okay, the next thing we have is the Wallet Ninja. Love, as I said on the description card, literally every time I'm with my dad, I ask him if I can use his pocket knife or can he help me with something because I'm just not handy at all. And this has all kinds of different tools on it. It has an eyeglass tool. It has a box opener. It's a cell phone stand, a ruler, bottle opener. It's got it all. It fits in your wallet. It's real high grade steel, so it's gonna last. So this will be a great Father's Day gift, or you know, gift for an uncle or husband, or you know, just one of your favorite fellas, just to you know, show your appreciation to them and everything that they do for you. So I thought this was so fun. So we're gonna do, what are we gonna do with this? We're gonna use our grocery sack, some tissue, and then the black ribbon that was in your gift wrap kit. And I'm just gonna, I'm really just gonna wrap this once and put it in there, because once it's in the bag, you're not gonna be able to see it. So that's pretty easy to do. I feel like everybody has, I mean, I think I even have a pocket knife in my car. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I just feel like everybody has like a pocket knife or some kind of something to get into something. So I love the twist on this, that you can just kind of fit it, hide it away. Okay, so you've wrapped it up, put it in your bag. I got my hole punch out for the Father's Day project, so I just put a little hole. But as we've talked about before, you can also put your scissors in and just work your way through, and you know, since you're going to put the ribbon through, nobody's going to see it. So we'll feed the ribbon through here. And I think we'll do the fold. Well, no, we'll do the fold on the other side and tie the ribbon this way. And remember, we're not perfect. All of our gifts and things are coming from our heart with love. So it's okay if they, you know, don't look like what we think they're gonna look. Believe me, I know what that's like. So that's what that looks like. I could probably put that hole a little lower, but that's what I had in my mind for it to look like. There we go. Okay, next thing is our cocktail kit. This is from W&P. These have been around for a while, and I think these are the best idea. They have all kinds of different cocktails: margarita, old-fashioned, champagne cocktail. This is an Italian Spritz, which I'll just name drop. That's an Aperol Spritz, which I 100% perfected during COVID. It's so refreshing. I love it. It's orangey tasting, and so I was just nostalgic to travel or do something, so you know, and just want to go back to Italy so bad, and so I decided to use this Aperol Spritz one. But it has everything you need to make a cocktail except the alcohol. So, you know, if you're traveling and you want to, you know, have a nice, you know, upgraded cocktail, you know, you have everything you need in this kit. And so, you know, here it is, and it's got the recipe. course you can't see because of my ring light. This just needs Prosecco. So if you're gifting this to someone, to round off the gift, you could include a little mini bottle or a slit of Prosecco or something to put in there so that they have everything they need. I actually made a to-go bar for some friends that were traveling across the country. And I put like everything you needed to have, like a little bar set up, like napkins and snacks and stirrers and things like that. But I put a bunch of these cocktail kits in it, and and all the alcohol that you would need for it. And I put it all in a little backpack so they could like store it in their camper. There's another gift idea for you. But it has everything. It has the shot glass. It has a spoon. It has a little napkin. And then it has the syrup that you need to add to the Prosecco. Who thought of that? Who thought of that? Okay, so I'll just put all these over here just to show you how we're gonna wrap it. Okay, so we're gonna do the handle bag, and I did the handle bag just in case you maybe wanted to include the bottle in there so it would be bigger. And I have it tied a certain way, which may not fit the bottle in there, but you know, just whatever. So we're gonna wrap this in the tissue and put this in the bag. And we're gonna use one of the wide black and white ribbons. And what I did was I cut that 3-foot strip into 2, and I just did this. Just did a little knot to bring those together, and I thought it looked cute like that. So that's how I did it. Like I say, you do it however you want to do it. And so that's what that looks like. Easy. You don't need me. You can do it too. Okay, so that's it. That was quick. 3 gifts down, and in the second part, I'm going to do the remaining 3, and then we'll talk about the Father's Day and all the other exciting stuff going on with me in the next video. So I hope you'll watch it. And I don't know if my little clicker is going to work, so we'll see if it does. See you soon.